Then we have Kyoko.
Kyoko, come here. Come here. Kita. Kwa nini unafanya hivi? Sit. Stop, simama. Toka. Kwenda huko. Go. Who else?
Your boy.
Oh. But you are good students. What's happening? You have never done this. Huh? You see, I have beaten students in this school. I'm forgiving you. But don't repeat that, okay? Mimi naweza kupiga nikuweke hapa nikurushe huko. Sicheze na mimi.
Thank you.
Okay? I'm a very bad one, eh? Okay? Kaa chini, wacha kunishtua. Ala. Nashtua mwalimu aje. Yes, is to gang mimi. I have fought for independence. Even the father of Sammy Kyoko knows.
I know.
You know.
No.
You know. You will see.